Hey, what's up you guys? This is Zach with PCBros, and today we're going to review the Redragon S107 gaming keyboard and mouse combo. And this is the one that we sell on our PCBros website. We like it because it's a good entry-level / budget combo that does come with the mouse and the keyboard, and it's RGB, which a lot of people want. And overall, it's just a decent combo for the price. So today I'm going to unbox it and show you how it sounds and kind of give you the breakdown. At PCBros, we were looking for a good mouse and keyboard combo that we can sell without worrying about stock too much, where we could buy a bunch in bulk and it was going to be a good budget option too. So this one checked all those boxes. So let's get right into the unboxing here. Here's the front of the package. Pretty nice for a budget. I mean, not much info here that will help us. There's a lot of basic bullet points. So when you open it, you got the bubble wrap on both the mouse and the keyboard, and both are just regular USB. They do have the nice cloth wiring for the mouse, but then they do have the regular for the keyboard. I'm not too sure why they did it differently like that. Now the keyboard definitely does not feel like the most expensive keyboard you can get, but as a budget keyboard, this is still pretty good. We have the Redragon logo right here, and it does have the full-size keyboard, so you do get the numpad as well. Now these are not mechanical, they are indeed membrane, but it still has that nice RGB on the bottom, and I'm pretty sure it is customizable. And overall, this is a pretty good starter option. Now the mouse actually feels a little bit higher quality than I would have thought. It has this cool little texture on the sides, like a good grip texture, and it does have the customizable buttons, the macro buttons, and a nice, I believe, RGB scroll wheel, and it feels pretty good. I mean, can't really complain for the price with the combo. So in the box you get this little information pamphlet and a little Redragon sticker. Let's get this this combo plugged up so you can see what the RGB looks like. Now here is the keyboard lit up. It's kind of hard to tell in this bright lighting. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the dark here in a second. But overall, it looks pretty good for a budget keyboard. The mouse is doing this sort of breathing lighting effect, which I like. It looks really good. Even the scroll wheel is lit up as well. So I'm going to show you what it looks like here in the dark. So here is how the default RGB looks like on the keyboard. And here's the mouse. It's doing this cool breathing thing. And the scroll wheel is lit up as well. Now, I believe that you can customize this. All right, let's give this keyboard a good typing test. Even though it is membrane, it still sounds pretty nice. Overall, the Redragon S107 gaming keyboard and mouse is a good budget option. Despite its cheaper price tag, this combo offers a lot of value, and you can pick it up today at PCBros.tech, link in description.